We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, MULLEN Automotive Inc. breaking out of this consolidation. Today it had zigzag action, but it wasn't the only stock going back and forth. The overall market did as well. And our SPY since 9:40 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength on 42 vision. And call options went up 200% plus within hours, guys. And then later in the day, our SPY sent out a bear indicator at 12:50 p.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside and full weakness on the charts with 42 vision, and put options went up 300% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of our growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources, whether stocks are going up or going down in either direction within the volatility, guys. So here we are with MULLEN stock breaking out after hours, and we need to talk about what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and 42 vision indicators, as well as why is the stock moving. We're going to break it all down in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected to our 42 vision indicators, and by joining, you'll become part of our growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So one of the home runs from this morning was our Tesla bot. It sent out a bull indicator from 9:35 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint with full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up nearly 100% plus within an hour, guys. And our second home run was a stock I mentioned this morning over in the pre-market, and this stock is idex. We caught this one in the pre-market, got that bull indicator going into the bell, inflows crossed the midpoint, and from that moment forward, it hit 150% plus opportunity at its highest point, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, MULLEN Automotive Inc. breaking out here in the after hours, and we need to talk about the news that just came out. This is big. A lot of people did not expect this, and here we are actually showing it reflecting in the chart, guys. We're going to pull up the bull and bear indicators in our inflow versus outflow, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of our growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, MULLEN Automotive Inc. breaking out here on the 30-minute chart after consolidating, found multiple times support levels here at around 47 cents to 48 cents. Broke back above 50. I've always talked about how important it was to stay above that, and breaking back above 52 cents. And here we are in the aftermarket hours, getting a bull indicator and heading towards 58 cents so far, guys. This is pretty big, and we're going to share why this is happening. The one key thing we're watching here, though, going into tomorrow is these inflows. They need to come closer to the midpoint, at least try to come towards it, or even better, cross it for this move to have real strength. If not, it could turn out very quickly into a fake out. So if these inflows cross going into tomorrow, that is going to be huge, especially as it retests up above at the resistance levels of 65 cents. Now, let's talk about why MULLEN stock is going higher, and I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I'll be watching going into tomorrow. So this is the news that just came out, and it states here, MULLEN stock heats up on expanded promotional tour. And this is big, guys. They had two areas that they were going to go to, and it's coming up now in November. So things are starting to heat up, right? In Nevada and California. Now they're going towards Texas in 2 areas, Tennessee, Florida, Georgia, and even North Carolina. This is huge, right? Because the strikingly different EV crossover tour is going to have that experience that the potential customer can actually see how the product is going to look in a prototype, right? And this is big because not only are they doing that already to expand and promote themselves, but now they have a facility, right? After getting that ELMS whole entire acquisition done, now they have a facility that can make and produce, according to what the news and article states and what the CEO has stated, up to 50,000 vehicles per year, plus their expansion in Europe. This is big, guys. As you see it here, expansion upon expansion, news on top of news, compounding and trying to fight here the stock to stay above 50 cents and go even higher. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below here. Could it break above the 65-cent threshold? And if it does, where do you see it going? I look forward to seeing those comments down below. So, 30-minute chart, we need those inflows to cross. That is going to be crucial and pivotal for this move to have even further strength and this bull indicator to not get canceled by another bear indicator eventually in the volatility, okay? Super important. Now, when you look at the 15-minute though, you can see within the volatility that the inflows have crossed, guys. And we want to see this stay above. And it's been under a bull indicator since the pre-market. It consolidated here, broke out above resistance of 52 cents. And here we are coming back up to hit newer highs in the aftermarket hours. So when we zoom back out here, we could see that the 30-minute is pushing up, got a bull indicator, and the 1 hour here, the outflows are still dominating, but we still have bright green. We just need this bull indicator to pop up on the 1 hour as well and cancel out that bear indicator. So super important levels to watch here that I'm going to be watching is our support, 50 cents, 52 cents before that if you want to go ahead and have a tight area to watch. And then to the upside, we want to see this break back above 65 cents. And based off the history of the chart, the next resistance that comes up above that is back up here at 70 cents, guys, which will be crucial. But when you zoom back in, these inflows need to cross here on the 30-minute, and this bull indicator needs to continue to hold true within the volatility, guys. I think that's going to be crucial within these moves. This is pretty big, this news that came out here. More tour dates means further expansion, further growth, more promotion of the company, and more people knowing about MULLEN, MULLEN stock. Again, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this, because this is further expanding when they get more tours and more people know about the MULLEN 5, and that's one of their EV crossovers that is going to create further growth opportunities as more people know about it. That's just my opinion and perspective alone. I could be wrong about this. Again, I look forward to seeing your thoughts about this and how you feel about it, and what do you think that's going to do? Do you think these inflows are going to cross? Because this news is pretty big, guys. It was just 2 locations, and now they've expanded to nearly 8 different locations. Imagine if this tour continues to expand. That's going to be interesting as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.